Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. I'm Melissa. I'm behind the camera because we don't have a tripod at the moment, so I will be doing most of this filming from behind the scenes. And then this is Noah. Most of you have known him and met him in our shorts we've been making. Today we are going to start with how to snowplow stop, because it is imperative and it's super important for you to learn how to do this before you actually try to hockey stop, since that's the big thing everybody wants to do. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, follow, and share, and subscribe. We're usually on TikTok, so me saying, follow is an average thing for us. But anyway, Noah is going to demonstrate how to start to learn a snowplow stop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your hands out of your pockets and put your arms up, because if like an airplane, because if you're a new skater, you've probably come to find that balance is a big deal. Once you do that, you're going to turn around and face the boards and grab the boards. You're going to put your feet together. You're going to bend your knees, and you're going to take one foot and push it out to the side. And then you're going to take your foot again and push it out to the side. And you're going to keep doing this. Make sure while you're doing this, your knees stay bent and you're scraping your blade across the ice with your heel first. Once you've done that a few times, you're going to switch sides. You're going to put your feet together, bend your knees, and push your foot out. You're going to want to be making a pile of snow like Noah is right now. We are on an outdoor rink in Milwaukee today. It is 42 degrees, so the ice is very, very soft. So your pile of snow will not be that big, but that is what you want to do. This will help you get a feel for the ice underneath your feet when you're stopping before you actually start to move to do the stop. Do the other side. Let's see the other side again. Since you got one, the other side. Let's see the other side, because you got one side that's bigger than the other.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Again, while you're doing this, you want to bend your knees and push your foot out with your heel first. Keep doing this until you feel comfortable. And yes, one side will be easier than the other. It will feel more natural on one side than the other. So that is perfectly normal. And if you have any questions, make sure to put it down in the comments.
And stay tuned for the next Learn to Skate video.